Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we're diving into a profound lesson from the life of the ancient Roman senator and Stoic, Cato the Younger, as recorded by Plutarch in Parallel Lives. Imagine you're on the brink of something big, be it a major career decision, a significant life change, or simply a heated conversation that could shift the dynamics of your relationships. You feel the pressure building up, the urge to act or speak swiftly, driven by a blend of urgency and expectation. That's where we enter the world of Cato. Cato practiced the art of oratory, viewing eloquence as a tool, almost a weapon, necessary for engaging in the arena of state affairs. Yet, intriguingly, he never practiced in public. This act of restraint puzzled his contemporaries, leading one friend to remark, "Cato, people criticize your silence." To which Cato brilliantly responded, "As long as they do not criticize my life, I will begin to speak only when I am sure it was not better to remain silent." What can we learn from this Stoic approach to communication and action? The art of knowing when to speak or act and when to hold back is essential, especially in our fast-paced world, teeming with noise and incessant demands for quick responses and instant decisions. Acting is easy. Simply plunging into action can be straightforward, almost automatic. However, the true challenge lies in pausing, in taking a moment to deliberate and assess whether our intended words or actions are necessary and beneficial. Cato understood this deeply. When he entered politics, the masses expected immediate powerful displays, stirring speeches, resounding accusations, and wise reflections. Yet, instead of yielding to these expectations and his ego, he chose a path of preparation and mindful consideration. Cato's resistance to pressure teaches us about the value of restraint. It's easy to be swept up by the crowd or driven by our emotions and egos. We often feel compelled to live up to others' expectations, to act quickly and decisively. But Cato waited. He carefully analyzed his thoughts and intentions, ensuring he was not reacting emotionally, ignorantly, or prematurely. Only when he was certain that his words were worthy of being heard did he begin to speak. This principle of mindful communication is incredibly relevant. Whether we are leaders, professionals, parents, or friends, the practice of pausing to assess the value and necessity of our words and actions can lead to better outcomes and more harmonious relationships. Consider this. Are you analyzing your thoughts before speaking? Are you ensuring that your actions are aligned with reason and virtue rather than impulsive emotions or external pressures? This level of mindfulness demands honesty with ourselves and a commitment to self-improvement. Reflect on occasions when you might have spoken too soon or acted too rashly. How might the outcome have differed if you had taken a moment to pause and reflect? Cato's story is a powerful reminder that silence and inaction, when chosen deliberately, can be more impactful and honorable than hurried words and rushed deeds. It challenges us to cultivate inner calm and self-discipline, hallmarks of Stoic philosophy. As we navigate our daily lives, let's embrace this Stoic challenge. Before we respond, let's take a moment to ensure our actions and words stem from a place of clarity, wisdom, and virtue. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through Stoic wisdom. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more practical Stoic lessons. Until next time, be mindful and embrace the power of thoughtful action.